Hello, and welcome to Docens Digitalis TV, the channel where you'll learn the essential English vocabulary to understand and navigate laws, politics, and government, especially in the United States. If you've ever found legal terms confusing or difficult to follow, don't worry. We're here to break them down in a simple and practical way so you can use them with confidence. In today's video, we'll cover key legal vocabulary in English. These are fundamental words that will help you understand legal documents, court cases, and even legal discussions in the news. Let's get started. First, let's define law. A law is a rule created by the government that everyone must follow. The process of making laws is called legislation, and the place where laws are enforced is the court. Now, let's talk about lawsuit. A lawsuit happens when one person or a company takes another to court to resolve a dispute. The person who files the lawsuit is called the plaintiff, and the person being sued is the defendant. Another key term is contract. A contract is a legal agreement between two or more parties. If someone doesn't follow the terms of a contract, it's called a breach of contract. Contracts are used in business deals, employment agreements, and rental agreements. Next, we have evidence. Evidence includes facts, documents, or objects used in court to prove a case. Lawyers present evidence to convince a judge or a jury, the group of people who decide if a defendant is guilty or innocent. Speaking of decisions, let's talk about verdict. A verdict is the final decision in a court case. If someone is found guilty, they receive a sentence, which is the punishment ordered by the court. Another important term is bail. Bail is money paid to the court that allows a person accused of a crime to remain free until their trial. If they don't return to court, they lose the bail money. You may also hear the term appeal. If someone believes a court's decision was unfair, they can request a higher court to review and possibly change the ruling. This process is called an appeal. Finally, let's talk about civil rights. Civil rights are the legal protections that ensure equal treatment for all citizens. These include freedom of speech, the right to vote, and protection against discrimination. By learning these legal terms, you'll be better prepared to understand legal documents, follow court cases, and engage in discussions about the law with confidence. If this video was helpful, please support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with others, and subscribing to Docens Digitalis TV. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for learners like you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.